Jason Sloan here with Furtado Law Solutions. Out here with Hail Pro, taking a look at this wind damage claim. I was hoping to show you guys a little trick, but I'll have to do that on a different video. But just wanted to show you some of the stuff we found on this job. So as you can see, a couple spots where there's no flashing, they just got the pookie in there. So that obviously when it gets done needs to be fixed. Also, no drip edge on a lot of this house. There's some right there, but nothing on that. And nothing here. Kind of has a built-in one. So, and a lot of inspectors don't look at everything. They do have starter. That's always good to show. Obviously, whoever installed this was not. I'll show you guys from up above. Not the greatest guy. If you can see that half-inch gap. Also, this gutter flex. If they were every 2 foot like they're supposed to be, none of that would be happening. Because I've lost a lot of weight, so I'm not the guy that I used to be. And then we're gonna hand it off to Zach here. Show you guys some of the other stuff, and this probably is going to need to be redecked also. It's pretty flexible.
We'll walk. There we go. I can see now. I have no clue where you left off at, so it's going to be a wind claim. Here, there. As you can see here, more there. So here, the backside, all the metal's got hail hits, and then we have a hole continually going. That shingle's ripped and goes all the way down. And as you can tell from the windstorm, they have a lot of debris up here, and the chimney needs work.
Alright, so we'll be putting that estimate together. We got to get a few more things. They had a leak on, was it one, or how many of the skylights were leaking, Zach?
Technically one.
Technically one. But it's got popcorn ceiling, so it's got to be checked for asbestos, and a small issue could turn into a big job. So that's what we're trying to tell you guys. Also, when you're checking all those accessories and showing the ridge, starter, and everything, when you're doing the starter, show it on the rake also. A lot of the insurance companies are paying for starter these days, but what they're not doing is paying on the rake. They're just paying on the eave. And anybody who's worth their 2 cents in roofing knows that you should be putting it on both areas. And we'll just keep doing more videos for you guys, different inspections, and showing you guys what we find, and some little tricks of the trade. Have a great day. Signing off, Jason Sloan.